Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, you're so welcome. Please subscribe, and if you return, it's so good to see you again. Please remember to click on the notification icon so that you can be notified when I post another video, and remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in the description section. So let's get Okay guys, let's just jump straight to it. You need to open up Premiere Pro. I'm currently using Premiere Pro 2020. So in order to change the frame size of the clip I have right now, you go to Sequence and Sequence Settings, and this opens up the control. And you need to change the frame size to width 900. So the width you need to change to 900. And the height you need to change to 1600, making the dimensions 9 by 16. And once you've done this, you can just click OK, and as you can see, the frame size has changed. And if you have like an horizontal video, then you can just scale the video to match the frame like I've just done here, and you can just position the X and Y axis, and yeah, there you have it. So just an idea of how you can repurpose your standard rectangular videos for IGTV as well. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below, and I hope this was helpful. This video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the notification icon so that you can be notified when I post another video. And before you go and check out the videos on the screen, and I will see you in the next video.